Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can apply a material to any piece in CATIA. Okay.
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solving Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the star, then shape, then you go to the generative shape design workbench, then you click on OK. Next, you go to insert, then surfaces, then you go to the sphere command. For the center, select the axis system point. For the sphere limitations, change it from create the sphere by specifying the angles to create the whole sphere. Change the sphere radius from 20 to 50. Click on preview, then OK. Now, you have something like this, shading with edges. Change it to shading with material. Okay, now you go to a command, call it apply material. You click on it, then you go and click on the geometrical set, then you click on the aluminium, click on apply, then OK. So this is how you can apply the aluminium material to a piece in CATIA. Now let's say you want to change this material to a wood material. Okay, all that you need to do here is to click on the geometrical set again, then you click on the apply material command again. You go to the wood tab. Let's say that you want to apply this wood type bark. Click on it, then you click on apply, then OK. So as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can apply a material to a piece in CATIA. At the end, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Solving Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.